Welcome back to another video today. So in this video we are going to take a look at the Solana, aka Sol. It's been a good coin in the past year. We did an analysis on this coin yesterday as well, as we're going to do the analysis today. So right in front of me I have this chart of Solana for 1 hour. I'm gonna open it for 4 hours. Okay, so just like any other coin, you can also see that the Solana was also being affected by the Bitcoin right in front of you. So we'll take a look at the higher time frames, because we want to know what are the long-term prospects of this coin, as well as what are the short-term prospects for this coin. So let's start by finding the immediate support levels. Well, if I were to find a support, I would say this one is a good historical support, a big support, I would say, the major support level. However, let's jump to the local time frame. In the local time frame, you can see this is forming a double bottom. Let me draw it right here. Let me just draw it for you. This is the major support level that you need to be looking at. I would write it down for you. So if you were to take an entry in this coin, in Solana, for longer terms, and you want to capitulate it without, big risk, this is the place you should be looking for, because it's a good support. Let me just fill this with green color. Green suits good for supports. Okay, so now talking about the immediate support is at this level, right at this level. I would draw it like this. So this will be your immediate support. You do not want this coin to be dropping below this point. If in case that drops below this point, what you should be expecting is, you should expect, let's say, yes, exactly these levels. I would mark them. This was marked on daily time frame, so it's not an issue if I can just do this. Let's say if I just do this, and this exactly correlates with the 1.618 level of the Fibonacci retracement. Only in a case if Solana was to drop below this support level, say local support. So this is your local support for you guys. If you want to take an entry, you can do like 10% here. You can go for the remaining percentage at this place. And so what would be the targets if you were looking at this place? If you, for example, you open a position here, what are your targets? We just go for the ranges. So let's just go for the range. That would be the range high, as well as some resistance. So that's your target 1, I would say. That's your target 1. Now this one, your target 2. Or I should do something like make this one closer, because target 1 has a higher chances of being hit. So this is your target 2. Now going for this region, this is your target 3, and that will be your target 4. I would write down for you. Also, this is not a financial advice. If you are going to take a trade on the basis of this, I really do not recommend taking any kind of trade. However, you can do your own research. This is just for the educational purposes. Let's target 1. Let's target 2. So let's do this target 2. Clone. Target 3. Control plus drag. Okay, let's do this. Control. Oh, that's handy. Target 3. And this is going to be a target 4 for the immediate short term for the Solana. So these are the targets I'm going to look out for at the current scenario. Can we find something like a pattern here? Well, nothing specifically. Let's go for the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, you can see that it has seen the major blows. That's sad. Let's look at the moving average. I'm going to show you a detailed analysis on this one. Don't you worry. So this is your what do you say that 21st moving average. I'm gonna make a line and make it a little bit thicker so you can see it easily. So this is way below the 21 moving average, and if you talk about current scenario, you can see that it is acting as a resistance at this point, the 4-hour time frame. But if we look at the daily time frame, you can see it has fallen below that. It's too much below the line. So what I want for Solana is to be crossing over this place. So if it crosses 21 moving average for daily, so that might be a sign of good recovery. You can see that on the volume candle going from down here to here, it's a double bottom as well. One confluence, a second confluence. Second confluence is this, that the volume, the selling volume, is decreasing. So I think that was it for the Solana. See you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed the channel, make sure you subscribe the channel and you like the video. See you in the next video.